What's up guys, welcome back to Liam Johnson and AFC Till I Die. Today's video, we've got 7 bits of slime that we're going to do. So, yep. Bang. And we've got some coloured clay. Very odd, it's a bit mess, but yep. Stay tuned for a video probably to do with Play-Doh, but yeah. And we've got the plate for the slime, so yeah guys, subscribe and like. I probably won't even be able to get any of this open, so a million years later. The first bit of it is done, so I'm going to just get them all open and then try and work out after how I'm going to do it all. I mean, why does it have to be so hard? I don't know. I'm still trying to learn guys how to do all of this. It's unbelievable, it's super hard. Why can't they make this a bit more easier? It would be nice if they could. Yeah. I'm really struggling. One sec guys. What's up guys? I'm still trying to get everything off. It's a very big hassle, 1 minute. What's up guys? Welcome back. We've got all this time. My favourite colour next. This one seems to be very sticky. Yep, that one is very sticky. Boom. And last but not least, the wind. And now for the clay. Right, so I've done all of it. We've got some more for the next video, but here we go. The cameraman, slime time. Number 1. Let's see which slime is the best. Orange slime. Ooh, does it stretch? One minute. Wait a minute. Right, that's satisfying, so orange is done. Where's the lids? They have lids, right. And we'll put them back for another day. Boom. Next slime. Pink. Does it stretch? I don't think any of them do. So yep. Now I'm gonna get the pink one. Jesus. I'll get a lid on that. Woo. Oh wait. Oh, wiggle. Now we can put that one back in. If you want me to actually do bigger slime videos, comment down below. yellow. And last but not least, wiggle wiggle lime green, wiggle wiggle. And here it is. Clay time. Start off with the peach. Sausage. Let's see 3 things I can make it in to have made it into a sausage. An N and what the hell? A peanut, and then we can easily make a black shape. Purple. 3 things. Can't be anything the same. An ear. This could be very hard, guys. A thumbs up. And last but not least, a dragon here. Purple and red. This is gonna get even harder now. Bunny rabbit here. Snake. Third eye. Tongue. Orange. Cheese. A leaf. And the third option. Dinosaur. Last but not least, 3 things for this one. This is the biggest bit, so let's see what I can get with it. A rhino face. Sleeping bag, and not a chair or a statue. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the clay and slime video, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye. Peace.